Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Slice it against the grain, and it will be very, very nice. Past couple of times I have cooked fajitas on the kettle, they have came out chewy and tough. I normally use salt and pepper and cook high heat till medium. Slice against grain and serve. 16 August 2015.
Take our lead.
Simmering in a little bit of liquid or broth is a great way to tenderize. Acidity can also be your friend here. A little bit of vinegar and lemon juice in the liquid can help you tenderize the meat. It adds moisture, but it also cooks the meat. 4 June 2020.
Make your mark, take our lead.
It's common to use skirt steak or flank steak for most carne asada recipes. As mentioned, skirt and flank steaks can often turn out more tough, chewy than ideal, even when you do everything right, and even when you slice against the grain. That's where the marinade makes a world of difference.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.